All right, guys, here we are in Sapelo, New Mexico, following a contractor up to a job. 14,000 square feet under roof. We got close to 30 kits out here. His trailer is about an hour down the road. Should be delivered here shortly. Middle of, what are we in now? Early August. Beautiful weather, about 82 degrees out here. Drops to about 50 at night. And I'm going to try to do a nice video for you guys over the next day and a half. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to pan this up slowly. This looks like I'm walking up to the Ark. 14,000 feet. It's a beast. Alright, I'll keep going. I'll keep you posted. Well, as we're getting closer, I'm not sure if this is a house or a lodge. But we'll find out in just a few minutes. A big job right here. Looks more like a hotel. This will be exciting. I have a feeling, guys, that we're in a lodge. What's going to be a lodge. Got the owner showing up here shortly. We'll get a little one-on-one interview with him real quick. Kind of tell us what's going on here. This is Matt. He is with AccuFoam, Creative Polymers. Also my son-in-law. You guys might remember him from some other videos. Quite an expansive little project here. Alright, we'll keep pressing forward. Hang with me, guys. Alright, guys, here we are. We're doing training out here in New Mexico. Got this big job. We're going to start spraying some foam today. Just fixing to purge these drums right here. Had hydraulic oil in the system as we tested it back in Georgia. Matt with Creative Polymers is here to help us with some of this training today. We got 27 kits out here, and we're going to get to spraying. I think we're spraying on top of the roof deck, and then they're going to put a metal roof on this thing. But we've covered the gun, and we're now going to purge this hydraulic oil out of the rig. We got air on the machine. We're about 12 o'clock there. Should be about 12 o'clock over here. A little high, but that's okay. We're going to get air out of here first, and then we should get fluid. All right, be right back. All right, we just ran the machine, guys. This is all the foam that's going in this house. Like I said, it's 14,000 square feet under roof. We sprayed a little bit here. Framers are up there framing the roof. So we're doing a top spray on this one. Then he's got metal roofing going over the top of it. This thing looks more like a lodge, but it's a house. Personal use. Guys all out here working. Just a beautiful place. So he's got to spray all that roof up there. It's all getting 2-3 inches of closed cell. He's got some open cell he's going to use for some sound deadening inside. Here's the entry. Beautiful entry. Walk up steps. We'll get spraying here in just a minute. Just wanted to give you a little tour of the log home. The owner was telling us that the log company actually assembled this entire place one time and packs it all up, numbers it all, and ships it out. So this house has been built twice. Just a ton of space, beautiful entry. He's got some more space up top. He's going to make some storage up here, maybe some workout, his mechanical area. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's crazy. Just crazy, crazy. He wants to spray some open cell down on this roof, or this ceiling actually, to make it sound deadened. Just a beautiful, beautiful place. Big living room. Probably one of the biggest houses I think I've ever been in. I'm gonna finish this off up here. Talking about putting a pool table up here. Just nuts. Just a nuts. Beautiful place. All right, we're gonna get to foaming. That's what you guys came to see. All right, guys, we're prepping this roof. Move the trailer over here to the other side of the house. I know this looks like a lodge. Keep telling myself that all day. This is just a big old residence. So we're gonna get to foaming here in just a minute. All right, guys, you've seen this trailer on multiple videos. This is our 16-foot unit. Have the Winco generator in here, the 35 CFM compressor. Again, we put a fan in here. We've got our hose rack, custom cut-in logo there. You guys are pulling the hose out now. This has the Graco A25. Great little machine, 2,000 PSI. Run a couple hundred feet of hose off of it. We're loaded up in here. Here's the ISO. Our desiccant dryer, which pulls air in here, dries the air with desiccant beads. That's getting pulled into the drum. 50 CFM refrigerated air dryer. And we're going to get on up here and get some video. You guys can kind of see what's going on. Hose is all pulled out. A couple good hard-working fellas here helping us out. And we'll be up on that roof in just a minute. This is our two-man fresh air respirator system. You see the guys unpacking it now. That's 100 feet of hose right there. There's another 100 feet of hose right here. We got the owner out here working with us today. Really nice guy. Name is Raymond. Called me off the internet, called me off eBay. And we are eBay and YouTube where these videos are going to be posted. So this is our 100-foot system here. That is a low pressure, high volume pump.
Is there going to be another one with you?
And
Other than me?
a couple masks. Guys will put this
I'll
together.
just help you with the hose.
Basically put that pump in a fresh location where there's fresh air. These are full face respirators here. We're going to keep a rag with us and put some spray release on them, which does not allow the foam to stick to the face mask. All right, guys, we're already up here. We're going to be filling these cavities before they put the metal roofing on. Getting our hose set up. Matt's going to do some spraying. It's got a respirator. Got a fresh air system set up out here. We'll get that hooked up. It's about 5:30 here in New Mexico. And we're going to get going here. Getting close. A lot of roof here, guys. This is the general contractor running all this stuff out here. We'll get some spraying done. That pattern to open up, we're going to do a little picture frame on this thing. Matt's just going to picture frame that in there, trying to get himself comfortable. Again, this is a Graco A25 pneumatic spray foam machine. On down to the next one. It'd be a monkey to do this job here. Picture frame it. Quick pass around, fill in that corner. Come back and start filling that in. That shows the up and down pattern. You can go back and forth. But what he's watching where that foam is rising. From the back, he's kind of watching where he's been and not so much where he's going. Should be able to get 2.5, 3 inches in there in a pass. We're going to get a checkup on it in just a minute. Now we got the owner down here, Raymond, suiting up. He's going to spray. Seems pretty anxious. Pretty tough guy, been a great guy to work with. And he'll be spraying here next. Matt filling in cube number 3. And you can come back with a little flat scraper and just kind of hit the stuff that gets on the studs. But this is what a foam contractor does here, guys. Takes these tough jobs. Alright guys, my battery's running a little low. Try to get you some more video here today. Economics of this is you got about 40 cents in cost of materials per board foot, which is 12 inches by 12 inches by 1 inch. And he's going to do 5.5, 6 inches in here. So this should have paid you, let's just say 5 times 40 cents is $2. You might charge $2 a square foot to install this. And that took right there less than 15 minutes for the first pass. We're going to let that cool down, do a second pass. But this could be a very profitable job for a contractor that's prepared, has the right equipment, right knowledge. We'd be happy to help you with this. I'll get you some more video tomorrow. We'll be back out here in the morning for a little bit. Rig's running great, sitting down there on the ground. Matt's giving a little bit of instruction. This has been a fun job out here in New Mexico. All right, we got Raymond all suited up now. He's going to do some spraying. Matt's up here with him. He sprayed this here. I'm going to go ahead and try to picture frame that in there.
Try to be about 12 inches away from it. See that if you're too close there, it'll splatter it.
Yeah, let me see if I can get a better advantage here. Going for cavity number 3. Got the homeowner up here on the roof. Spraying the job. He's doing a hell of a job. This is his 3rd cavity. Looks real good. Learning the technique. Getting a feel for the depth. Foam looks good. It's got real good reactivity. We're about 130 degrees on the hose.
On that, you got good thickness there. Don't cover that one again. Let's go to the next one.
It's good.
Slow down. As far as you set up, going up
Guys
and
down here.
Slow down, going left to right, which is going to cause you to get thicker.
All right, getting a little spraying done, taking our time. 5 o'clock out here in Sapelo, New Mexico. Nice 80-degree day. Not much humidity, getting some spraying done. That's the owner up there. Gonna re-suit up, spray a little more. Probably shut this thing down here in a bit. All right, having a good time. All right, guys, here we are, day 2. Let the machine heat up this morning, about 7 o'clock a.m., 63 degrees out. Guys are left the gun on the hose last night. They did a quick flush on it. like you'll see in our training videos. We're just going to go ahead and break this gun down this morning, fresh so the guys can see it, and not too eventful, but that's what's going on today. And just a beautiful day here in New Mexico. They did a pretty good job last night, ran through a kit of foam their first day in about 4 hours. As they're learning, they're doing a heck of a job, these two fellas here. Say hi, guys.
Hey.
Hey. All right, so we're going to break this thing down. I got Matt here this morning with Creative Polymers. This is our parts kit that we sell you. Comes with the rig. It's got 10 full O-rings in it, grease, brushes, extra nut driver. And I'll save you the lengthy explanation of cleaning the gun. We have another video on that. And that's about it for this job, guys. This is our crew here. And just had a good time out here spraying foam. These guys learned real quick. All right, you have any questions? My name's Tim, 770-274-9888. Be happy to help you. Thank you, guys.